This is proof that celebrities literally wear the same thing as non-celebrities. It's that easy. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. It's another Sunday, that means another video. Today, as you might have read in the title, we are recreating, I was about to say Gigi, that's the wrong person, Hailey Bieber's outfits and style. We have been hearing quite a lot about this person recently. I feel like, you know, she's launched her brand Rhode, where she has like skincare and lip products and all that stuff. Then there was the whole, all the pictures coming out with her wearing like a really pretty red dress, high heels, everything, and her man Justin Bieber pulled up in like a sweat set and yellow Crocs. And that was just so funny. I actually seen so many people do those outfits for Halloween, so I thought it would be fun to kind of recreate her style. She is first of all known to be a model, but also like social media personality and all that. What I find quite fun with models especially is that they have these like off-duty model looks that they wear, and I find that a lot of their looks are actually quite easy to recreate. They use items like everybody kind of has in their wardrobes, like jeans and maybe like a leather jacket, and what makes it look like off-duty is mostly like the accessories, like a little cap, pair of sunglasses, you know, to hide from the paparazzi or whatever. So I thought it would be fun to recreate Hailey Bieber's looks today. I already made a video kind of like this where I recreated Bella Hadid's outfit, so if you haven't seen that, definitely make sure to go watch that too. And I already started off by doing a little makeup look that's like kind of natural, glowy, which is her vibe. I'm gonna insert the clips now. I have done my skincare and I'm gonna put these clips in just whilst I do my makeup, but it's also to keep my hair like sleek down here in the front, one on each side. Right, so we're gonna go for a kind of glowy look because that's what she does a lot, and I have an inspo picture. This right here is my inspo picture, so very natural, very glowy, glossy lips. I don't even think she's wearing mascara in this picture, but I might still add mascara. We'll see how we feel. It just looks natural, glowy, bronzy, a little bit of blush. Let's do it. Maybe some jewelry just to have on for all of the outfits, something very simple. She is very clean girl aesthetic vibe, so I think for my earrings were good, just little hoops. And then rings, I also want to do maybe something just quite like simple. I'm gonna put on this ring that just like has my initial on it, together with this one, which this is literally what I wear every day. And then on this hand I'll just have, should I just do like a little heart like that? I think that's simple, good. Maybe I do kind of want to add something more here though. Oh, this one. Okay, I think this is good. This one is from Regina Jewelry. This one I have no idea. Used to be my mom's. And then these two are from Monica Vinader. Yeah, just gold earrings as well. I'm gonna take off this necklace though, because I don't feel like it's the vibes. And then for my hair, I kind of made it like very sleek and just put behind the ears. Obviously right now she has short hair, so she does this and then right here will like come out really cute in like a little wave thing. I obviously don't have the same hair as her, but we can make the front look kind of similar, I thought, because either she'll wear this or she will very often also wear like a sleek back bun look. But first of all, let's talk about 3 main products you need in order to look like Hailey Bieber. I feel like there's always 3 things she wears. 1, sunglasses, especially like kind of smaller frames, black sunglasses. That's the first one. Second one, which is like a staple piece for anyone, but this is literally something I feel like she wears almost every single day, and that is a blazer. So either just a classic blazer, or maybe one that's more cinched in on the waist, or even a jacket that's like in a blazer form, like it has maybe the bigger shoulders, it has the same neckline and all that. So blazer for sure. Third would also be an accessory, and I would say that that's a cap. And once again, that's maybe just like to hide from paparazzi or whatever. But yeah, there's a lot of things that she wears quite often. Like I just said, the blazers. I feel like loafers is also a big thing for her. Tights with like little skirts or little shorts. So there's a few things. And I was scrolling yesterday. I was looking on like Pinterest and YouTube videos of hers. And for example, she made a YouTube video together with Vogue, I think it was, where she showed her outfits for every day of the week. And I've taken 2 of those looks that I'm going to recreate, and then the other looks that I have are also from Pinterest, because also one thing you see her a lot in is like workout athleisure wear, but I feel like that's also like in general for a lot of the models. So in total I'm going to be recreating 5 looks, all kind of different occasions. Some might be more everyday, another like workout like I just said, and like night looks as well. So I think we should get right on into the video. I have all my looks here ready on my computer, and the first look, start off with a simple everyday look that she does. This is part of that Vogue video. I can link the Vogue video down below if you want to watch it. Every single item that she's wearing could be something you had in your closet as well, so I think you could probably recreate this too. First thing, she is wearing a pair of jeans, so I have that here, and hers are kind of a little bit more on the skinnier side, so I brought these out from my closet, which I haven't worn in ages, but they are a little bit more skinny than what I'm usually wearing these days. Simple blue pair from H&M. Then I'll be pairing it with just a black long sleeve top. This one is from New Yorker. I have like literally the same one also from like Je ne Tricot, H&M. You know, a simple black top, you can kind of find that anywhere. One of the main pieces for this look is the trench coat jacket, so I have a black one as well. I actually thrifted this one, but it's originally from a brand called Lager 157, and this is like so perfect for fall, and also just a staple piece, just like a basic almost to have in your closet. And then she's also wearing a pair of boots. I feel like this look is very much giving fall, so some boots. These are a little bit chunkier. They are from a brand called Tamaris. And then for like accessories and stuff, we'll get into that when I'm wearing the fit. So let's get changed. So far, base of the outfit is on. Then we just have a little jacket to add, which I feel like already does a lot. Okay, and now for a belt, I have 2 options. I have a belt that looks quite similar to hers, but mine is silver. So either I could wear that, just, you know, have it silver, or I have one that's kind of gold, but it's like a snake print. I feel like the gold would go better. I feel like she's more of a goldy girl anyway. Alrighty, nice. Now in the picture she's also wearing like a crossbody bag with like quite a thin strap. I don't have one with a thin strap, but let's just try a regular one. You can't, like in the picture you can like barely even see the bag either way, so I don't really think it's too important. This bag could be quite nice. Like I said, you can't really see in the picture, so just like having the strap there I think is enough. But I think we did a pretty good job on recreating this outfit. And like I said, I feel like a lot of people have these items in their closet already. This is something you probably could recreate too. What do we think?
When the stars fall out the sky, I try to catch them. When the past fades, my heart will recollect them. Every droplet of your time has my attention.
I say we go on to the next look, and this one is gonna be more sportswear. The base of this next look is already something I feel like a lot of people wear in the US, or like they have bodysuits or jumpsuits. Like obviously this is not a bodysuit, but that type of look where everything is just like very stuck to the body. So the base of this outfit is gonna be biker shorts that you need to, you know, scrunch up a little bit to make them a little bit shorter. And then what she's wearing is just like kind of like a printed tee tucked in. So I have this one from H&M. I forgot to say that these are from Primark, but this top from H&M, which I'm gonna pop on in a second. Boom. And then like I said, she has it tucked in on the front, so I'd say just like tuck it into your bra a little bit so that you have your stomach showing a little. And then I have white socks, and I don't really have like dad sneakers, so I'm just gonna go with a pair of like regular sports, like something you would actually work out in. For me, that would be these Nike sneakers. And I think just like the important part of this outfit is basically to have a pair of long white socks. Okay, and then for this outfit, she has a pair of little sunglasses. I have these, which I think are really good for this look. They're kind of giving a little bit sporty too. Look like a celebrity. And then she's like holding her phone in her hand and a little water bottle. Let me get that. Just grabbing my water bottle like, yeah, I'm about to go work out. Yay! I mean, it's a workout outfit. Giving LA girly, LA influencer going to work out. That's what it's giving. And that's literally what it is too. So this is look number 2.
Baby, tell me your dreams will manifest it. If you wanna run away, I will protect ya. If your head's in the ground and you wanna get out.
Okay, now for our third look, it also includes biker shorts and high white socks. So I thought we might as well do that so we don't need to get changed too much. Because like, look, I'm wearing a workout outfit right now and I'm about to turn it into almost like a night look, I would say, by changing like 2 pieces of my outfit. I'm gonna keep the biker short, keep the socks, keep the sunglasses, switch out the top, add a little jacket and another pair of shoes. What we're gonna do is, in this picture, she's wearing like a light gray hoodie. The closest thing I have to that is this Betty Boop sweater. But we're gonna, for the sake of the video, turn it around to have a more neutral color. So we have just like a white sweater, and then we just need to add a leather jacket and a pair of like black leather shoes. She's wearing loafers. I don't have loafers, okay? We're not gonna do loafers. We'll find another way. Hoodie on. It needs to be quite oversized because in the picture you can like barely even see her shorts, so you know, it needs to be loose. I'm gonna change out these sunglasses for a pair that's a little bit more squared because I feel like it's very Hailey Bieber to have very square sunnies. Adding a leather jacket. This is what really makes or breaks the look. Like this is making the look completely different to what it was before. And then for the shoes, like I said, I don't have loafers, but I think I'm just gonna go with a pair of heels to make it more of a night look. I still have my socks on. That's like important. You still need to keep the socks on. And then you pop the heels on, add glasses. It's giving night look. It's giving she's going out on the town. And now she also has a little yellow fluffy bag. I don't have a little yellow fluffy bag, but once again, we're just taking inspiration. We're not copying exactly, you know? So I have some choices once again. Both choices are fluffy bags. Either we go the black fluffy bag or the white one. I feel like the white one is a little bit too big for this look, so I think I'm just gonna go ahead with a black fluffy bag. Would I wear this out in public? Probably not, because for me it doesn't, you know, the weather in Sweden wouldn't make sense to wear shorts and then like 2 layers on the top. Like, I don't understand what weather you would wear this in. That's not the point of this video. So I'm just showing you how easy it is to recreate a celebrity outfit on a budget. Like, you don't need to be wearing all the high brands. You can recreate it and look literally the same. You just need to be a little bit creative, and that's it.
To the clouds, I've been struck by Cupid's arrows.
Okay, I gotta take this jacket off. We are tuning into our inner celebrity because now we're about to put on an outfit that I don't really know if I would wear out. You know, it's giving event. I still keep the biker shorts on, I think, because they're low-key not even gonna be visible in the outfit. But you just need mesh top, tights. She's wearing like lace tights. She's probably wearing a whole bodysuit that's lace. I don't have that, so I'm gonna wear a mesh top and regular tights because that's honestly all I have. And then we need a big blazer and heels, and like that's the full outfit. I don't even know if my blazer is oversized enough for this. It's not giving what it was giving on her, that's for sure. Let me add the heels. She's wearing a pair of like brown heels, but I'm gonna go again with the same as before. I don't know, it's not, I don't know if it's the cut or if it's, or maybe it's just I'm not used to seeing myself in an outfit like this because I literally would not wear this. For me, it's not giving celebrity, it's giving, what is she wearing? It's giving she forgot to put pants on. I think it needs to be a little bit more closed here to like actually kind of be like a dress. This is so funny. Okay, is she wearing sunglasses in this picture? She is, okay. Going back with the same sunglasses as before, like more square. I feel naked. That's what I can say. I feel naked. And I feel like if I was wearing this, I wouldn't be able to move too much because there would be slips of stuff. You know, she definitely pulled it off. I don't know if I can, but she did.
I know you're a fool, but I do. And she
let's make the last outfit another everyday outfit that you can, you know, actually wear outside. Once again, I think this one is something a lot of people can recreate, so let's do it. This outfit already includes baggy jeans, which I love. For the jumper though, I have two options. One, this one looks quite similar to the one she's wearing, like the neckline and stuff is basically the same, but this one's more white and more like thick, I think. But then I have another one, it's not exactly the same neckline and that stuff, and like it's a zipper and everything, or like it's a zip up, but the color is a little bit closer. No, I almost think this one should be better. I'm gonna be boiling because this cardigan is literally one of my warmest cardigans. Like when I'm cold, really cold, I just wear this. I think this still gives kind of the same vibes a little bit, and it's more or less the same color. Now we're gonna be putting a cap on, which we know, like I said in the beginning, one of her signature moves. She's wearing a black cap. I actually don't have a black cap, so navy blue will have to do. And then she's wearing a pair of white Air Force Ones and a little yellow bag. Air Force Ones I have. I don't have the full white ones, but these are basically the same thing. Start by putting these on. I don't have a yellow bag, but I have a crossbody bag that's a mini bag, so I think I'm just gonna go with that. It's pink, looks like this, kind of similar vibes, and that's literally the outfit. That's how easy it was. This is proof that celebrities literally wear the same thing as non-celebrities. It's that easy. So let me show you the full fit. Do I look like her now? It was so easy. A pair of baggy jeans, a knitted cardigan, a little crossbody bag, Air Force Ones, white sneakers, and a cap.
We'll protect ya. If your head's in the ground and you wanna get out, we can go into the club.
And with all of that said, ladies and gentlemen, I'm now Bella Hit. Why do I keep on wanting? With that said, we now just created 5 outfits just like Hailey Bieber, and we figured out that it actually wasn't that hard. I do need to take this jumper off now because it's very warm in my apartment. Cap can lead to back to a little bit more of my normal self. But yeah, like this kind of shows like it's quite easy to recreate celebrity outfits. You don't have to have all the big brands. Like they'll be wearing a simple black top. Like when I was watching the Vogue video from her, she was wearing the most simple black top. It was from Bottega Veneta. Yes, that is a very expensive brand, but you can literally wear an H&M top and it looks exactly the same. I'm not saying it's gonna last as long and whatever, but I'm just saying you can recreate these outfits without using the exact same brands, the exact same clothes, all of that, but get inspired and you will have literally the same look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know which outfits was your favorite and which celebrity outfit I should recreate next. Also, don't forget to subscribe because I know that like 80% of you watch my videos are not subscribed. So make sure to do that, and I will see you next Sunday in another video. Bye!
That's how she gets me every time.